special emergency alert from the Ohio State of this emergency alert. The Becker wants to be wafted, and you see wafted by lizard people. Please call us at 7-222-333 and 9.
Without the stuff you don't.
Spain phone number. There will be a 700 million fine by the FBI, VHDB, and Blu-ray. Thank you very much. Stay safe.
Yep, that too. Made to keep things moving while you're on the move. Made to outmaneuver ever-evolving obstacles. And made to keep your business connected, no matter how you do business. Get the all-in-one phone system with Spectrum Business Connect today. Spectrum Business, made to work.
Here's an important message from the U.S. Med Diabetes Solution Center. If you have diabetes, you know the pain of pricking your fingers. But now, by wearing a small device called a continuous glucose monitor, or CGM, you can reduce your pain right away. It's easy to use and helps you make more accurate diabetes treatment decisions. So call us right now to see.
It's the moment of truth. 3 of Georgia's top pit masters have cooked their best pork picnic and country-style ribs. And now it's time to find a
Why would I use cat? Choose your checking and struggling with
First day of my life.
Man, you sad, Day-Day. I know how you're feeling, man. And if I had my bong on me right now, dude, I'd let you toe to choke. I got this, though.
Stay green, hanging out.
That's chronic, dude. Try.
I ain't got no bone or no bull brownie, but voila. Whoa. I'm the one with the problem.
Boop.
Enjoy that.